Hey guys, it's Sumo Kitty, and we're going into a Pokemon the card game online. Okay, heads or tails, always go with heads. It always does me good. Oh,
Always
I
does.
lost. Dang it.
Personally.
Tails.
Oh, this.
Yeah,
Check
that's
out my.
Sumo Turtle. Check out his channel. He's pretty cool too. Okay, I have no basic Pokemon. Oh, my opponent has no basic Pokemon. Okay, that's good. I'll take that guy. If you don't know, this is Pokemon. You probably know, but basically, I have to kill 6 of his opponents, or six of his Pokemon, and I'll basically win the game. And basically, you gotta charge up with these energies, and yeah, it's pretty fun game. It's free, very free. You guys should check it out. Okay, let's see. So I've only won like a couple games. Your opponent has no basic Pokemon. Yes. I'll take his 5th time. Okay, I got another Magikarp. Stupid Magikarp.
What kind of deck is that? What kind of deck?
I have like a water and trainer, basically. It's just water and trainers. It's not very good, but you know. So okay, I'm gonna find a Gyarados. There we go. And now I can evolve my stupid little Magikarp. Next turn, of course. I'll upload, or I'll charge up my Buffalant. His attack does 80. That's not too bad against his. Oh, he's just in. Okay. Respectable move. Dove Dunag. Okay, let's see. Now I can get me a Gyarados. Well, I'll find another Pokemon, because why not? I'll find, there we go, that's good. And I think I'll just keep on doing this guy, because, you know, the opponent, Dovadunag, is not really, he's not doing too much. Oh, and I did open this yesterday. It's full art Professor Sakamore. It's pretty cool. I don't know how rare it is, but you know, it's nice to have. It makes me look professional. Oh no.
What?
Oh, he did. He made it into a Machoke. Oh no. Well, that's not too bad.
Not a Machamp.
Oh, he's a Machoke right now. Okay, so now he only has 10 HP. I'll finish him off next turn. He only has 1 energy attached to it, so it's a good start. It's a good start. Get my first prize card. Let's see. I always start at the top. Dodrio. Oh man. Well, okay. His turn. I only have 5 more to go. Or if I just kill all of his base on his bench, I also win. Oh, special energy, yes. Okay, there we go. Oh, so next turn, I'll kill him. This seems to be pretty easy going. I like my Buffalant. Pokédex. Well, whatever. You can't beat me, Duva Nagunog. No, he seems to be taking a while. I don't like people like this. They take years.
They just like sit around there, and they're like forget that they're playing a game.
I know, like there's another human being on the other side waiting for you, dude. Like, come on. Oh, he switched his Pokemon, dang it. 100 damage, no! My Buffalant. Now I don't have any energy. Oh, well that was not good. Okay, I'm just going to place that, energy cards, there we go. Get 4 basic energy cards. I only have 3, but, you know, that's just as good. I can start to turn Gyarados, so I can actually do Berserker Splash. This attack does 10 damage to each bench Pokemon, both yours and your opponent. Doesn't apply weakness or resistance. Okay. Oh, that was actually pretty cool. So I did 10 damage to his bench, but it happened my bench too. Seems fair. Seems fair. I don't know how to. Hey, I'm gonna ask Sumo Turtle.
Yes.
How do you get those fancy, the back of your cards? Like, he has a fancy
I
design.
actually, you can buy them on the store, but I do the Pokemon TCG and
Yeah.
I got a box that came with 10 generation packs, a bunch of deck sleeves, a bunch of things for race. So, but I know they're.
Oh, okay. Well, that won't be happening. I guess we'll be.
Yeah,
stuck.
tournaments are real tough.
Yeah. I don't win very many of the regular versus games. Oh man, see this is so cute. An audio EX. Like, oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's just staring into my eyes. Okay, I think he's gonna kill me this turn, sadly. Yeah, he's gonna be able to do just enough to kill me. Man, I could have used my potion. But I didn't. Oh, rip Gyarados. Aww. Well, now I have to start to charge this guy up. Oh, I forgot I use a special energy and I get them right back into my hand. That is nice. Okay, so I'm going to just completely disregard this Articuno. Just charge up my Gyarados. Let's see. Pokemon. Okay, I'll find me a Pokemon that I want. Oh, there's only one Pokemon, really? Well, I'll have to settle with the Celio. Is there a max you can put in your hand? Cards
Any of cards? No.
Yeah.
No max.
That's pretty nice. I'll just Professor Sack. Nah, I'll just skip my turn. There we go. So his attack, he won't be able to do it yet. So he only does 30. So that should actually last a while. Whenever you attack attach energy from the hand to the Pokemon this card is attached to, heal 20 damage from it. Well, I'll just put that onto there later on, and I'll put boom, there we go. I have a feeling this might be a long game. We seem to be about skill. I really wish I could be doing some attacks right now, but that's good. I just want him to kill my thing faster. I'm gonna use this and then completely wipe my deck. Ooh, there's so many choices. Lapras, you can't go wrong with the Lapras. Okay. Okay, so let's just wipe my deck. There we go.
Kitty.
Hello, sumo turtle. Okay, let's see what I got. A
So
skitty.
silent there.
Oh yeah, I had to do some a bird mite. I don't want to put it out.
What do you mean? What you got? Did you get a pack?
No, I used my Professor Sycamore and wiped my deck.
Ah,
Wiped my
sycamore.
hand. Sycamores.
Yeah, not
Sycamore.
sycamore.
Okay, so I only have to kill 4 more of his Pokemon. So he has to kill 4 more of mine, and he's about to kill another one of mine. Dang it, this isn't going very well. That's okay. So my Gyarados is fully powered up, and he's gonna be able to kill me in my next turn, but that's okay. Let's just see if I get heads. Hey, I did get heads. A manatee. Mantine. Oh, I'm so sorry for those out there. You actually. Okay. So, sumo turtle.
Yes.
Something happened to like my bench. I thought there was only supposed to be like 5 in a bench, right?
What happened?
Well,
Yeah,
I don't know,
yeah,
I
the
think
killing
it
effect.
expanded. I think he used a card to expand it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my Gyarados up there. And one-hit wonders. Bam. Hopefully get a lot of heads. Oh, that's so close. That's okay. I'm still able to kill him. And we're gonna eat it. Ooh. This is one of my favorite tricks. You get 2 energy cards from the discard pile. I'm gonna need that because I don't have any energies. Wow. So it's evened up 3 on 3 still. I've only defeated people by killing them when they had no basics in their bench, so this might be one
Really?
of the longer games, yeah. They either quit on me or they just don't have any basics. Or I just rage quit. That happens a lot too. Claw 30. Oh no. And the heads. Why do you just discarded an energy? Flip a coin if heads discard an energy attached to one of your opponent's Pokemon. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Tails thing. Well, I am going to get me some more energies. Put an energy back onto it. And because of this healing scarf, it healed him again. So, let's Aqua Tail him. Heads, tails. Instantly killed him. Now I have 2 more to go. Oh, is it so I get 2? Oh, that is nice. So I only have to kill 1 more. I think I might have this in the bag. Oh no. A Pidgeot with 170 HP. Oh no. That's not good. I should still be able to do this. If I get 3 heads my next turn, I have to get 3 heads for me to get enough damage. So let's just hope. Let's hope. Okay, he can't attack me except it's like a mirror move. So that doesn't do any damage. That's okay. Oh no, Snorlax. Okay. I don't know why he did that. My turn. I think I should actually be able to win this. And let's Aquatin. Let's hope I get enough heads. Yep, I got him. GG, all 210. 210. Easy.
You won?
Yeah, I won.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I even got the 5 coins. Plus, if you far in the video. It means a lot to me. Check out my other videos. Check out the Sumo Clan, Sumo Kitty, Sumo Turtle, Sumo Crazy, Sumo Orangutan, Sumo Luigi, Lugia, whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.